So welcome back to one of my videos, and this particular slime caught my eye by Young Slimesssss on Etsy. So I've ordered it and it's arrived, and I'm super excited to see what's inside. So this is in a bubble wrap mailer. Oh, some extras, that looks quite generous, and a sign about slime care, what to do. Very neatly done. And here's the main slime, and there's an extra in here as well, and there's no leakage or anything, so that's really good. Very nice containers. And what really caught my eye about her shop was her logo and her photographs. I thought it was all put together really nicely and looked really good on Etsy. So there's her logo. That's really good. I love that. So I'm keen to see, doesn't say what it is, but I'm pretty sure there was blue and white stripes, but anyway, let's see what this one is. I think it's a free topping. There's her logo again. Yeah, there's no info to say what it is. So I'm surprised there's not the colours like it shows on the photo, but maybe it mixed. Be surprised if it mixed that much, because this is a clay slime or sleigh slime, and it smells of sort of bubblegum and something else. It does say bubblegum cheesecake, but can't really tell that that's what it smells like. But anyway, it's slightly sticky. It's really hot at the moment in the UK, so it has been for ages. So I'm going to activate this and take it out and show you in a minute once I've got it going. So in an effort to recreate what it looks like in the photo, I've decided to add some colour myself and split it into layers. So I'm just going to add this acrylic paint in a sort of similar blue. It's slightly metallic, but that won't show up in a white slime. It would in a clear slime. So I'm just going to mix this in and assemble the slime as it looks in the photo. Okay, so that's a lot better. It looks a bit more like the photo. So on to this extra pot, which comes free, which is a sort of topping. Again, it sort of smells the same, and it's clay or sleigh slime, and it's intended to well, be done as a swirl to put on top. So it needs a little bit of activating because it's sticky, because the weather is just exceptionally hot and muggy and close. Feels like we need a thunderstorm. Comment below if you've had one in the UK lately. I think we're on for one tomorrow on Saturday. But so I'm going to swirl this and put it on top, and then add those little blue foam beads for effect. So look at that, that's really nice, swirls beautifully and sits on top just like, oh, a gorgeous dessert basically. So these complementary little beads need to go on top, and the slime assembly is complete. So look at that, really nice and a lot more like the photos. So now it's time to dive in and have some fun mixing this and marbling it through. And it's a really nice texture, very clayey, very soft, and yeah, it's a lovely slime. So apart from the colours not being quite as they looked in the photograph on the shop, I don't know quite what happened there, but I'm happy to accommodate and improvise and take the initiative. I hope some of you are too, but yeah, well done for this slime. I love the packaging, I loved the labels, I loved the idea behind it. It's a very satisfying slime. So here's all the extras and bits and bobs that came with the package. Very generous, so thank you very much. That's it for this video, so don't forget to like and to subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next one. Bye!